What's the meaning of alumni association? Alumni association. Alumni association. Alumni association. Alumni association. Alumni association.
An alumni association is an organization formed by graduates or former students of a particular educational institution. The purpose of these associations is to maintain connections between the school and its alumni, promote the interests of the school, and provide social and professional networking opportunities for its members. These associations often provide career services, organize events, and offer scholarships to current students. Through these efforts, alumni associations aim to foster a sense of community among graduates and support the ongoing success of their alma mater.